How can I guide a language model to provide a factual summary or a creative story, and what are the benefits of doing so? And so when working with a language model, it's essential to clarify its objective to ensure you receive the desired output. By specifying whether you want a factual summary or a creative story, you can help the model stay focused and avoid providing irrelevant or tangential information. A factual summary is a concise and accurate account of a topic, often based on verifiable data and credible sources. This type of output is beneficial when you need to quickly grasp the main points of a subject, such as a news article or a research paper. Actual summaries are also useful when you're looking for a quick overview of a topic before diving deeper into the details. On the other hand, a creative story is a narrative that uses imagination and creativity to convey a message, entertain, or educate. This type of output can be beneficial when you're looking for a unique perspective, a fictional account, or a thought-provoking exploration of a topic. Creative stories can also be used to engage audiences, promote empathy, and inspire new ideas. To guide a language model to provide a factual summary or a creative story, you can try the following. Provide clear instructions, specify whether you want a factual summary or a creative story, and provide any necessary context or guidelines. Use specific prompts. Use prompts that are tailored to the type of output you're looking for. For example, you might ask the model to provide a factual summary of the article or a creative story based on the theme of sustainability. Choose the right format. Consider using multiple choice options or a specific format to help the model stay on track. For example, you might ask the model to provide a summary in bullet points or a story in a specific genre, e.g., science fiction or romance. By being clear about your objectives and providing the right guidance, you can help a language model provide high-quality outputs that meet your needs. Whether you're looking for a factual summary or creative story, the benefits of using a language model are clear: increased efficiency, improved accuracy, and the ability to explore new ideas and perspectives.